Hi class, welcome to another tutorial on CS384. This will be a very short tutorial dealing with required arguments. Now what are required arguments? See, I have a small function defined here, defined print me, and I'm taking one parameter inside it, right? So whatever that parameter is, I'm just printing the value of that particular function. Now what I will explain to you what are required parameters. So let us say I'm passing the string as hello world. Okay, so no issues, print me hello world. Hello world, basically string gets copied here and I'm printing the same value. So if you see, when I'm defining a parameter here, it is mandatory for the programmer to specify at least one parameter to the function. Now what do I mean by that? Let us say I am now calling the function with no parameters, right? Now what will happen? The print me at least requires one parameter to execute. But if I don't give any parameter, it will now result into an error. Let us comment this line first, and now let us check the error, what it comes. See, print me missing one required positional parameter. What do you mean by positional parameter? So I require string here. So I require one parameter at position 1, but there is no parameter in position 1 while calling the function. So this results in an error. That is what it says. Print me the name of the function missing one required positional parameter. Why positional? Because at position 1 there is a parameter here, right? So how do I fix it? So I can say my string is equal to hi there, and then I can pass my string here, right? So the first position is replaced by my string here, and now the function will execute properly. See, the output is hi there. Fine enough. So these are positional parameters. I can have here, let's say parameter. So let us say I'm passing the parameter age here, and I define age as 56, but I don't pass age here. So what happens? The positional parameter 1 is satisfied, but the positional parameter age, which is the second parameter, is not satisfied. Let us execute, we will get an error, but no issues. So you see, missing one required positional parameter, and it says age. So it says age is missing in the function call. So when I pass age here, now the function will correctly execute. So basically there has to be a one-to-one mapping, string to my string, age to age, right? So keep in mind, whenever you define a function, you need to do a one-to-one mapping while calling the function. Let us execute the code. Hi there. It only printed hi there because I did not print age here. Now let me print age and re-execute. Hi there, 56. So the age is printed. So remember, however you are defining the function, ensure that the number of parameters that are here in this parenthesis, in this round braces, have to be passed into the main function, right, while calling it. Thank you for watching. This was just a short introduction to required positional argument.